turns out this song I mentioned earlier in the live stream is not Stains by the Bleeding Stones. It's actually, uh, where is it? Half in Red by Grommet. Okay, this is the conclusion I'm reaching. I just finished the live stream and I'm gonna upload this video. Wait, it should appear like if I go on my channel. If I go to live streams, this one entitled Shazam over here in the English part, because I don't know, halfway through I start speaking in Romanian, and in Romanian I mention it that I reached the conclusion that this is the song I was looking for. In fact, with Shazam, you know, uh, and it's not, obviously it's not this Zenzil Talliard, which is not a member, because I asked the robot what's the names of the band members from this Grommet band, and there's no Zenzil Talliard in this list, you know. Um, so yeah, it's not Stains Bleeding Stones, although this Stains song is also great, you know. The thing is, in Spotify, it showed me last night at 2 a.m. that Stains and this song are the same song, you know. And today, I actually found during the live stream when I started talking in Romanian, I actually went and played this result, which happens to be a correct search result, you know. Yeah, this is the song I was looking for. Okay, but still, it's super fuzzy. Um, I bet they have more than 400,000 views. Uh, you know, uh, and the fact that this Stains song last night appeared to be the same one when I played back the song, this Unstoppable Fire album or song. Uh, Spotify played it as if this song was the same as this song as Stains. Okay, for some reason, and I reached yeah, whatever. Okay, so it's not the song I was looking for. Is not this one, or although this Stains song from the Bleeding Stones, I like this one too. Um, it's actually this one. It's this one. Okay, so yeah, I'm happy I do not have Shazam on. I don't know. I don't. I don't know how to. I would. Yeah, I would burn this, but I cannot. I don't know how to tell my laptop to block Shazam. Maybe I should do some parental blocking. Okay, yeah, whatever. I'm getting tired. So yeah, it's name of the song is Grommet, Half in Red. Okay, finally. Stay blessed, stay vigilant. Hallelujah.